Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are good and I hope that the school starts soon. I need to see all of you. Welcome to our second lesson for English, Unit 5, Lesson 25. We're going to finish today pages 350 to 363. Please get your English books and open page 350. So who can tell me the title of this lesson? Yes, from seed to plant. And who can tell me who wrote it? Yes, it's by Gail Gibbons. Excellent. Do you remember what kind of lesson is this? Yes, it's an informational text because it's going to give us information about how do plants grow and change. Let me quickly tell you the summary for this lesson. This lesson tells us about how plants grow. It gives information about seeds, flowers, pollination and germination. I know some of these terms are new for you like pollination, germination, but by the end of this lesson, I'm sure that you will be able to know the difference between pollination, germination, and you will be able to identify all the different parts of flower. But let us just start with seeds. You all know what is a seed. Most plants make seeds. Seed is the beginning of a new plant. And you know seeds have different shapes, size and colors. All seeds grow into the same kind of plant that make them. Many plants grow flowers. Flowers are where most seeds begin. We all know what are flowers, but we do not know the name of different types of flowers. So let us watch this video. So these were some different types of flowers. Now let us see that a flower has different parts. It has petal, pistil, leaf, stem, sepal, stamen and stigma. So a flower is made up of many parts. In the center of the flower is pistil. The sticky part is called stigma. The colorful part is called petal. Sepals is what protects the petals. Then you know what is a stem and you already know what is a leaf. Now, before a seed can begin to grow, a grain of pollen from the stamen must land on the stigma at the top of the pistil of a flower like itself. This is called pollination. So please remember pollination, the transfer of pollen from a stamen to a stigma to allow fertilization is called pollination. Let us watch a small video about pollination. So now we all know what is a pollination. Pollination is the process of pollens getting transferred from a stamen to a stigma, and it ends in fertilization. The seeds grow inside the flower even as the flower begins to die. As the seeds become bigger, a fruit or pod grows around them. The fruit or pod protects the seed. Now, once the pollination process is completed and we have seeds, these seeds need to be dispersed to another places. They should be transferred to different places so that plants can grow. We know that the seeds become new plants. Some seeds fall to the ground around the base of the plant where they will grow. Some pods or fruits open and the seeds pop out. But most of the times there are different mediums by which seeds are carried away to further places. Let us see what are the different ways or mediums. How do seeds travel? They can travel by wind, by streams or rivers or oceans. They can travel by animals or they can travel by humans. Let us watch this video to understand it more better. So you see, there are different ways in which seeds travel, and in this way we get plants at different places. Now we need to know what is a seed. We already know what is a seed, but there are different parts of seed. This part is the food. The outer layer is called the seed coat, and this is from where the shoot starts, the first leaf. The seed coat protects the seed, or you can say the seed coat protects the food which is stored in the middle. In order to germinate, the seed should be on the soil or in the soil. It needs rain. Then, because it needs rain to soften its seed coat. It also needs sunshine. When the sun shines on the ground, the seed coat breaks open and the seed begins to grow. This is called germination. Very important. Please remember, when the seed begins to grow, it is called germination. A root will grow downwards and a shoot will grow upward. Leaves grow up from the shoot. Leaves grow up from the shoot toward the sun. The plant grows bigger and bigger. The leaves make food for the plant from the water and minerals in the soil, the sunlight and the air all around the plant. Finally, the plant is full grown. Buds on the plant open into flowers where new seeds will grow. Many of the foods people eat are seeds, fruits and pods. But let me show you a video about germination. How do seeds germinate? So this is germination. So this is the life cycle of a plant. The seed is planted in the ground. It needs water. Roots. First the roots grow down, then stem. Then the stem grows up. Leaf. The leaves grow next, and then the flower. It makes more seeds. These seeds are dispersed and then new plants grow again. So this is a continuous life cycle. Now I want all of you to read this lesson page by page, and in order to make it easy for you, I have uploaded a video in which the whole lesson is read by a girl. Open page number 350 and start reading along with this. So with this, we finish our lesson for today, from seed to plant. I hope by the end of this lesson, you are all able to understand what are the different types of flowers, what are the parts of a flower, how seeds germinate, how pollination takes place. This is a lot of new information and I know it will take time, but I believe that all of you will go through the book, will go through page by page. It will make it easy for you, and in the next lesson I'll bring some questions for you. Maybe I'll give you a quiz. So don't be afraid, just read the pages, and I'm sure if you watch this video again, this lesson again, you will be able to answer all the questions. Or we can do one thing, we can solve the quiz together. I think that will be easy. Once you are able to understand the concept, how seed changes to plant and how pollination and germination takes place, then we can together decide a date for a quiz. I hope all of you are happy now. Anyhow, I miss all of you and I wish that school can start again soon. Till then, till we meet again, I'll upload my next online lesson for you all. Till then, take care and bye from me.